Hemi44 gang. Hemi Texas. Stand up, let go. Blue thing don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dart the car. Yes, sir. Blue flame don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dart the car. Yes, sir. Yeah. Hemi like ride. Yeah. Hemi like yeah.
Hemi like 44. Like, comment, subscribe. Yes. Yes, sir. Y'all see the shirt, man. Shout out to my guy, man. I had a subscriber sent me this shirt. You know what I'm saying? He sent it for when I get my Hellcat, but I'm already wearing it. You know what I'm saying? But this is what we doing, man. I had to come up to the church early, man, because my jopping seat, my drum shield. This is my drum shield, man. My drum shield is in. And we putting it together. Me and my guy right here, Jesse, my AD dude. I had actually,
The one he get blues to.
yeah. I actually had a,
Brother for life. I tell him anytime. Let's see what we got, Doc.
I actually had a church member to get this for the church, man. So appreciate that. But yeah, this is the drum shield, so pretty much it's gonna be clear. Let me kind of show y'all. So it's right here comes out. That right there comes out. And it's gonna,
there you go, back.
It's gonna be,
Feel that thing. Make sure I'm holding it right.
it's gonna be blue on the other side because it's film on both sides. What's up, buddy?
Feel on, Doc. Feel on. There you go. Reveal that thing, Doc.
Yes, sir. What up, buddy? Good.
All right. Go on, reveal that other side. Is it still on your back? Because you know you're on the second mode. It's still
This
on.
on.
All right.
And this one. So that's what it's gonna look like right there. Woo, woo. It's gonna be clear.
Christmas in May. June. June.
I was trying to get out of it.
Christmas in June.
Yes, sir. That's what it feels like with this.
We didn't feel that one.
Oh, we ain't get this. So
That's all right. That was our first. That was our first one. So we ain't tripping.
So
That was our first one. We'll get
that's
it.
what it's gonna look like, man. So pretty much a clear glass. It keeps the sound from. You can probably explain it better than me. I just know.
Well, it's a drum shield. Some people have drum booths, and the drum booth is actually like an isolation booth. When you go in studios, things of that nature, you can barely hear the drums. This one just dampens the sound just a little bit, so it's not so loud.
Yeah.
And that's what we got going on here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just gonna dampen it a little bit. It won't kill the person sitting on this front row right here.
Right.
Very good, back.
But I also like it because it sounds better to me. It sounds better behind the shield to the drummer as well.
Oh, yeah.
It sounds a lot better.
Sound good to the sound.
Instead of your sound, when you hit, it bleed out like that. So what it's doing is hitting, then it's hitting the shield and it's coming back to you. You know what I'm saying?
Sound good to the engineer.
Sound good to me. What's up, buddy? But man, we're gonna go on and get this done. We're gonna go and get this done, man. And I'll come back with what I got to do later on today or tomorrow, whenever I feel like doing what I'm gonna do in this video. I just had to show y'all this, man. If y'all didn't know I am a drummer, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to my drum channel. Hemi the drummer, man. You understand me? Y'all support. But yeah, man. So we're gonna go on and finish this, and I'm not gonna play or nothing like that on this. You know what I mean? Let me hold it. Y'all get a good look at my drum set. This is my drum set. Woo, this thing of beauty. But yes, sir, man. I'm gonna catch y'all once I get out of here. 44 gang, y'all see, I done made it home. I got everything all set up. I was up there for a minute practicing. But today, man, I got something that I don't know if I want to do this or not. But I believe it's in the best interest that I do this, man. Because I really don't have no other options. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm about to do. But let me show y'all. Hemiwife drove my car, right? Look at this. Parked my car in the garage. My windows down, all my windows down. On that side too. Look. All my windows is down, bro. Like, she left everything down. I don't understand. But yeah, she left everything down. But so I apologize about the light in here. I ain't really got that much light in here. But yeah, so we just gotta deal with it. But I gotta get this done. I gotta do this. Cause I'm tired of my car looking like this. So I'm gonna see if I can make this happen. I have no idea how to do this. But we finna see. We finna get it. We're gonna figure this out though. But so as y'all can see, man, ooh, this one kind of I don't know, bro. We don't want to put these on her like this. But I really don't have a choice, man. I really don't have a choice. I don't have a choice. You understand me? So this is what's gonna happen. Because I am so tired of riding without my cap. Bro, as y'all see, shout out to my guy, Scotty Nino, man. My boy, Nino on the go. Y'all subscribe to his channel, Nino on the go. He gave me his 40 cap. I don't know where my 40 cap is, man. I don't know where they is. But before I stick this on her, I'm gonna try to pop one of these out. Because I don't want to put this on her and have problems with the rest of it. You know what I mean? I really don't want to put them on her because they chrome and you know what I'm saying? They just don't match. But it'll look a lot better than having this open hole right here. So I can't just put this one on there with the rest of them being blue and floater caps. It's not gonna really look right. So I'm just gonna change them out. And I'm gonna keep my floaters though. I'm gonna keep my floater caps. Cause I know I'm gonna put them back on. I know I'm gonna eventually buy another one. So we're gonna come over here. Come over here, bro. I got my son man in the camera, you understand me? Y'all see floaty cap, you know what I'm saying? It's not gonna really look right because this is not the same black, but it'll blend in. I'm just gonna have to change it. I'll eventually change it, but for right now, this is what it's gonna have to be. I'm gonna pop these out. I'm gonna see if I can pop these out without scratching anything up. But the thing about it, these are really not all the way on there. They never was all the way on there. Look, I don't know if y'all can tell my floater cap kind of flicked it or whatever. I kind of like this floater cap, bro. I don't even keep it on there.
Sounds good.
What you think? Should I keep it on her? And then just put one of these back there?
Oh, no, don't do
Or
that.
just change y'all?
Change the whole thing.
But so y'all know, man, I'm gonna get these painted.
That look good.
That's why,
Those look better like that.
take them out, bro. Oh! I done broke it.
You didn't think when you was hearing that break apart stuff?
I broke it. Oh, hold on. This whole thing is a piece. Hey man, yeah, what it is, bro. I ain't know. Boy, gotta come up off of there, though. I know that. I'll just buy me some more, bro. If I won't float the cap again, I'll just buy me some more. But that's crazy. What's crazy is, I don't know how they come off. I wonder if you gotta take the wheel off to get them off. That's crazy. Because now it looks like you actually gotta, I believe this whole thing pops off. Yeah, this whole thing pop off. So, I gotta find a way to pop this joint out. There we go. There we go. Just make sure I'm scratching it up. I ain't scratching it up either. What y'all think? We're gonna have to do it that way.
It don't spin?
Nah, don't know. That's why these are like, just for these things to spin, just for me to buy 4 more of these, between $500 and $650. Just for 4 more of these. You know what I'm saying? When these right here, for 4 of these was $100. You know what I'm saying? So, yep, these, they kind of worth it. So, now we on this wheel. Now I know where to go. Now I know where to go to get it out. I won't make that same mistake I just made.
The mistake.
These things wasn't on here good, man. They not supposed to come out that easy, man. Come on. Let's go up here. I'm just gonna pop it out. They not supposed to go off this. They not supposed to come off this easy. Look at it. I can pull this off my hand, bro.
Oh wow. So how they go? They can do these screw on or what?
Now they got, see what it is? They got these rubber things here. These little, which I need more of these now. I'm gonna take that one out. That one broke up. Let me go over in the light.
Hey guys.
So, it got these little, whatever you call them, man. I don't even know. O-rings, I guess. I don't know.
The little rubber rings.
Yeah, they go right in there. I took this one out. So they go right in there. And that's what holds it when you pop it in there. Like I can put this in here without that, and it look, it's not gonna stay. So that's what happened to the other one. That's how the other one fell off. Because the O-ring had worn, this little ring had worn out, which
Did it help?
I don't know what happened. It's not supposed to work out like
How long have you had these rings? It's been a year.
yeah, nah. It may be 6 months, maybe 5 or 6 months, but I ain't had them, I ain't had them on like that.
So did you already order your replacement?
Huh?
Did you order a replacement?
She lost on the socks for it for me.
I'm lost in the sauce? Okay.
She lost on the socks.
I don't know how I'm lost in the sauce, but maybe y'all can help me, okay?
So, once again, shout out to my guy Scotty Nino. My guy Scotty Nino gave me his. These don't spin though.
Oh!
But that's the thing, I don't really care because
I care.
the thing, you know the crazy thing about these?
They could,
Like
and
you-
you don't need the rubber.
The thing about it, you pay $600. Now, ain't nobody done stole mine, but you pay $600 for somebody to come steal these. Like, people steal these. The floating
They
ones,
have some.
because
Don't try those.
they $650. Like, they like $600 just for those 4 caps. So I'm gonna pop these on here, man. Like I said, they don't all the way match all the way, but hold on. Take it in. I ain't gonna force it in there now. Hold up. Just act like you don't wanna go. Hold on, man. The other one was too easy. There we go. Yes, sir.
It's alright.
Yo, man, it ain't gotta be, it's just to do. Really, the main reason why I'm doing this, the main reason why I decided to go and put these on today is because it's a car show tomorrow, man. I can't go with a missing cap. I'd rather go with these versus going with a missing cap, bro. So I'm gonna eventually paint these, get them painted. I'm gonna definitely get these. Those ain't coming out, that's a fact. I'm gonna definitely get these painted. This is just gonna have to hold up for right now, man. That's gonna have to hold up for right now. Gonna have to do the job. Let me see. Y'all let me know, man, what y'all think. If y'all think that'll do, of course, I'm gonna get them painted. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get them redone. But these right here was just, like I say, I don't even know what the other one is. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know what the other one is, so, but I'm gonna keep it, because if I come across another one, you know what I'm saying, I got one. If I come across another one, that's cool, because I got some, so. I'm gonna keep them for the show, but this gonna have to do. Which that ain't bad, man. That ain't bad. It look better than not having nothing on there. Shout out to my guy Nino, man. I appreciate you, bro. I really do. You know what I'm saying? But hopefully it don't rain tomorrow. Hopefully it don't rain so I can make this show. But yeah. So 44 game, man, that's gonna be a wrap. This is one of my shortest videos, maybe. I don't know. One of my shortest videos. But yeah, that's gonna be a wrap. I actually got some stuff. We gotta eat, man. We gotta do a lot of stuff. Yeah, so I just had to get that done before tomorrow, just in case I do go to this car show. What it like? Just in case I do go to this car show, if it don't rain, I just had to get that done. But like I said, shout out to my guy. Appreciate you, brother. But yeah, man, so that's gonna be a wrap, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We're going up out 2021. Subscribe to the family channel too as well. But y'all know how I end out my videos.
Oh wait, let me get my flyway. Subscribe to MV Host. Subscribe to Hemiwife44. Y'all know I got something big coming up, and I just hadn't told y'all guys. Y'all just gonna stay tuned so y'all see it. Alright.
But that's gonna be a wrap for this video. I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, and browse. We're going up out 2021. But y'all know how I end out my videos. In the meantime, in between time, to the next video. Oh, y'all just seen Hemiwife side of the closet. Holla at your boy, I'm out. Yes, sir.